So I'm in my Kali Linux right now. I will first open the terminal and scan the server with the IP 10.10.141.171. This is a vulnerable machine in TryHackMe and I'm connected to TryHackMe. Now to scan this server, I will type the command sudo nmap space dash s capital S. S capital S means that it is a stealthy scan. S capital S is also called a SYN scan. It is harder for the server to detect a stealthy scan. So after giving this command, I will press enter and my scanning has been completed. After the scanning has been completed, in the first column, I can see the port number like 2122, 139 and so on. Beside the port number, I can see the protocol that it is being used, like TCP is being used. In the next column, I can see the state of the port, which is open for all. In the third column, I can see the name of the service, like I can see FTP is running on port 21, SSH is running on port 22, and finally I get the MAC address of the server. So this is how to do a stealthy scan. You can also specify the range of ports, like suppose with the previous command, if I type -p for port, I can specify the range like 1 to 100. Nmap will scan from port 1 to 100. I can also scan all the ports in the server with the command -p- and Nmap will scan all the 65,535 ports but will only display the open ones. So after knowing which ports are open, we also know the services that are running on the port. But if you are doing pen testing, knowing just the name of the service is not enough. We need to know the specific version of the service so that we can find the exact vulnerability of the version. So to detect the versions of the services that are running on the server, with the previous command, I will just add -s capital V. SV is a version detection scan, and after the scanning has been completed, I can see a new column has been added, which is version, and I get to see the exact version of the services. And with this new information, I can use Metasploit to detect vulnerability. You can also know the OS that is running on the server. But before we do that, if you want to master Nmap commands, then click the first link in the description box and you will get the complete Nmap cheat sheet. With this cheat sheet, you can use all the options that can be used with Nmap. In this video, I have used the SYN scan and the version detection scan, but you will get advanced commands like spoofing your IP address and creating decoys. You will also get the script categories with which you can attempt to exploit known vulnerabilities, brute force login with common credentials, and you will get this cheat sheet in the first link in the description box. Now to detect the OS of a server, I will type the command sudo nmap space -capital O. -capital O stands for OS detection and give a new IP address. And after the scanning is completed, you will get the OS information here. But since I'm using the TryHackMe lab, it does not give me the exact OS. And finally, if you want to do service version detection, OS detection, and default script scan, then type the command sudo nmap space -a Dash A means that it is an aggressive scan and type the IP, and after the scanning has been completed, I can see the column version. I can see additional information of each of the service because of the default scan. I can see the specific version of the service that it is running, and this time I have detected the OS2, which in this case is Linux. So this is how to scan ports with Nmap. So that is for the end of the video. If you want to watch more content related to Kali Linux or ethical hacking, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.